Salami Peach got your partner, Pookie Duty Squad, better known as AWS1, dig it, with the Hot Ones Buffalo sauced curly fries and the Jumbo Jack with cheese. Hold on, y'all. It's always something technical. Salami Peach got your partner, Pookie Duty Squad, better known as AWS1, dig it, with the collaboration from the Hot Ones. They got the Buffalo sauce ones. Let's take a look at the suckers. Like I said, I saw somebody who's a foodie who I watched, he was doing them. So I said, well, hell, let me go on and check it out. Who's the believe in shit talking about Gene? Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Let's see what's like the clack in the sucker. Bismillah. Right there, I taste a gang of cheese. It's hot. I don't taste no buffalo. And it's not spicy. Flat out, y'all. Now the cat that I saw doing the video, he said the same thing. But I wanted to try them anyway because it looked interesting. But we all know that buffalo sauce is only hot when you eat a lot of it. You know? Apologize for that, y'all. Now, I'm starting to taste some sauce. And that bite right there. So to me, right? It's just, I don't taste no buffalo. Basically, it's just a bunch of melted cheese. You know? That's all it is. Technical difficulty, y'all. Look at that, see? Now, it's cheesy. That's for sure, right? That sauce, it don't taste like buffalo sauce to me. I don't know what it tastes like. So I say, y'all, what I say it costs $4 or something like that. Technical difficulty. All right, y'all. Like Homeboy was saying, because, you know, he does a lot of hot collaborations with, because he's in the hot sauce. He got his own hot sauce on the market. He even came down to Dago Life to get some of his hot sauce marketed and manufactured. You know what I mean? And he said that some of their collabs, you know, most of their collabs are on point. From hot ones, I say on this, they dropped the ball. To me, it's just cheesy grease. And I'm cool, don't eat that, y'all. They get a thumbs down from me on this one. I don't even want to try the sriracha. You know? I don't even want to try it. Straight up. I apologize for messing around. You know I got another raggedy stick. You got your partner. Pookie Doodle Squad. I apologize for all the technical difficulties, y'all. I say they dropped the ball on this. This Hot Ones Buffalo spicy. It's not spicy. It ain't nothing but basically cheese and grease. So that's on Jack in the Box, right? I'm cool. I say save your money on it. Straight up. You got your partner, Pookie Doodle Squad, better known as AWS1, dig it? Y'all know what to do, go and do it. Salams to all my new subs. Salams to all my subs. Thank you, thank you. Salams to those of you who watch me on the regular, thank you. Salams to those of you who watch me every now and again, thank you. Salams to those of you who want to fence about subbing. Come on, y'all know what to do. Go ahead and do it. And salams to the ignorant ones that leave stupid ass comments who I have to mute, right? And I just keep right on doing and moving, right? And they just keep on right on hating. Damn, how you gonna hate a brother who ain't even getting paid for doing this? Torpedo ass MFs. They know who they are. And inshallah, you watching, you know who you are too. Salam, many peace, remain blessed. You and your family. Oh, and remember, when you want to check out my stuff, go straight to my channels so you can see everything new. Because if you just, you know, see something and then flick over there, all my new stuff is in the back. Just go directly to the channel, y'all, so you can get the brand new stuff right up in front. And then when you want to check out something old, you can do that as well. Salam and peace, remain blessed, you and your family.